Hey Weluxers, imagine if I told you that with just $10, you could start your journey to becoming a millionaire. Sounds crazy, right? But it's absolutely possible. If you follow the right steps, today I am breaking down a proven 10-step plan to build wealth, eliminate debt, and secure financial freedom. This is not about get rich quick schemes or unrealistic promises. It's about smart money habits that help you save more, invest wisely, and grow your wealth steadily. That has helped countless people to grow their wealth. The good news, anyone can do this, no matter when, where you start. So, if you're ready to take control of your finance and build a better future, stick with me until the end. This step will help you avoid common money mistakes. Let's get started. Step 1. Start now. Don't wait. Many people fail just because they never start and wait for the perfect time to start saving or investing. But guess what? The perfect time was start day, and the next best time is right now. There is something called the 3-minute rule. It says that if something takes less than 3 minutes to start, do it immediately or you will likely never do it. You have been meaning to start tracking your expenses. It takes less than 3 minutes to sign up for a budgeting app like Rocket Money. Do it now, and you are already ahead of most people. The biggest stress in life often comes from procrastination. The longer you wait, the harder it to becomes to change your financial habits. Taking just one small step right now will make you feel more in control. Step 2. Track your expenses. Do you know exactly how much money you spend every month? Most people don't. If you ask someone how much they spend on food, subscriptions, or entertainment, they will guess and they will usually be wrong. And that's a problem. If you don't track your spending, you can't save more or invest wisely. Small expenses add up quickly. Let's say you buy a $5 coffee every day. That's $150 per month or $1,800 per year. What if you have multiple streaming subscriptions you really use? Another 100 or more per month wasted. The best way to fix this is track every dollar you spend. You can use free budgeting apps like Rocket Money, Mint, or YNAB. These apps connect to your bank and categorize your expenses automatically. You can also print your last 3 months of back statement and highlight everything you did not need to pay. Once you see where your money is going, it becomes easier to cut unnecessary expense and save more. Step 3. Now that you know your expense, it's time to build a financial safety net. The goal is to save at least 1 month's worth of essential expenses. Rent, food, transportation, bills. How? Cut out unnecessary spendings. Like make coffee at home instead of buying a $5 latte. That's $150 per month saved. Pack lunch instead of eating out. That's another $300 per month saved. Cancel unused subscriptions to save $50 to $100 per month. If you normally spend $3,000 a month, aim to save $300,000 as fast as possible. Unexpected expense happens all the time, like car repairs, medical bills, job loss. Without savings, you may have to rely on credit cards or loans, which can trap you in debt. If you cut small expenses and save continuously, you will build a financial cushion in number of the time. Step 4. Take advantage of employer retirement plans. If your employer offers a 401k match, you need to take advantage of it immediately. This is free money that your company gives you for savings. For example, if your employer offers a 5% match and you earn $50,000 per year, they will give you an extra $2,500 per year just for contributing. That's the 100% return on your money guaranteed. If you don't have a 401k, look into opening an IRA. individual retirement account, or Roth IRA. These accounts help you invest more the future while getting tax benefit. Start investing for retirement. If someone offers you free money every month, would you take it? That's exactly what a 401k match. Step 5. Pay off high interest debt. Debt is the first reason people stay broke. Credit card debt, personal loans, and payday loans often have interest rates between 20 to 30%, which make it nearly impossible to build wealth. For example, if you use $1,000 on a credit card with 25% interest, your balance will double in 3 years if you don't pay it off. There are two proven methods to get out of debt. Number 1, snowball method. Pay off the smaller debt first for quick motivation. Number 2, the avalanche method. Pay off highest interest rate first to save the most money. Carrying high interest debt is like throwing money into a fire, and you are the one lighting the match. The sooner you eliminate high interest debt, the faster you can start building real wealth. Number 6, make more money. You have a supercomputer in your pocket. Is your smartphone. Use it to make more money. The best way to grow your wealth faster is to increase your income. There are hundreds of ways to make extra money today. Freelancing, writing, graphic design, video editing for someone, selling things online, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Etsy. Starting a YouTube channel, blog, or digital business. Driving for Uber, DoorDash, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. Even making an extra $100 per week adds up to $5,200 per year. That's money you can save or invest to build your future. There are people making $100 a day from their phone. Why not you? Step 7. Max out your retirement accounts. Once you are saving and making more money, increase your investment. Start maxing out your Roth IRA. Why? The money grows tax-free. It's like giving your future self a massive rise. Your future self will thank you for every dollar you invest today. Step 8. Long-term investing equal to long-term wealth. Forget about get-rich-quick stocks and crypto hype. The best long-term investments are index fund. Like the S&P 500, it's almost 8 to 10% returns per year. Rental properties, passive income every month. Diversification. Spread your money across different assets, gold, silver, stocks, crypto, etc. If you had invested $10 in the S&P 500 in 1980, it would be worth over $1,000 today. That is the power of long-term investing. Step 9. Avoid money mistakes. The biggest financial mistakes to avoid: 1. Lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more does not mean you should spend more. 2. Impulse buying. Always ask yourself, do I really need this? And wait for 72 hours. 3. Investing in hype. Don't put all your money into one trendy stocks or crypto. Building wealth is not just about making money. It's about how to keeping it. Step 10. Keep learning and growing. The wealthiest people never stop learning. They read books every day, like The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham, and etc. They daily read books. Surround yourself with successful, financially smart people and watch educational content and keep expanding your knowledge. The more you learn, the more you earn. Alright, now that you know the 10 steps to becoming a millionaire, it's time to take action. The sooner you start, the faster you will reach financial freedom. Which step are you going to work on first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who needs this advice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss our another wealth building video. Remember, small actions today create massive result tomorrow. So, Wealuxers, Start now. See all of you in the next video. Bye bye.